Hi, so I am here to walk you through my Take Apart Studio Challenge invention. And first, I want to start with the problem that I had. And that is that every night when I'd go to plug my phone charger in, it would fall down the charger, not my phone, would fall down the side of my bed because the outlet is on the wall that my bed's up against. So I wanted to come up with a way to prevent that from happening because I always got frustrated because I'd have to crawl under my bed and wiggle it back up and then plug my phone in and hope that it stayed. So I am going to show you my invention called the charging station creation. Alright, so 3 items that I have command hooks, which are actually already on the wall, but I have those. I have rubber band, I have some tape, and then of course my charging cord. So the first thing I'm going to do is just take some tape because I want to create like a barrier between my cord and the rubber band to help it stay a little bit better. I had some where it was like the rubber band was sliding, so I wanted to create some friction so that it wouldn't slide on me. So I'm going to go ahead and just wrap that around to give it some good thickness there. Alright, so now my cord has the tape on it. I'm going to take my rubber band and I'm going to do the little knot thing where you have the hole in the middle. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my little charging cord, put the rubber band on it, take it down where the tape is, and then pull it tight so that it sticks. So now I have this part. And then what I'm going to do is attach it to the 2 command hooks that are on the wall, and that is going to hold it up. So I'll show you what it looks like. So I have here where you can see my command hooks and then my rubber band with my tape. And then when I need to charge my phone, I just take it off, put it on my phone, and then stick it back on there, so then it doesn't fall down the side of my bed. So this is really interesting. I'd never done this before and I struggled a little bit in the beginning, but it was a lot of fun and I really found myself using the engineering design process. So I started out with asking a question like, what's a problem that I have? And it took a little bit to come up with something, and then I turned to like brainstorming. Okay, so this is my problem. How am I going to fix it? What do I need to do to build something to help solve this problem? Planning, I went through a couple different trials and trying to figure out like, when the rubber band would slide, but I didn't want to doing that, so I had to create a barrier to be able to hold it. And then creating it was a whole fun process. So I really was really cool how I was able to use that engineering design process without even realizing I was at first, because I did it and then I went back through and looked at all the questions and could identify the different processes that I had used. So it was really interesting and a lot of fun, and I think this is definitely something that I'd want to use with my students if I'm introducing like the engineering design process and the thinking that goes through it. So that is my invention and my Take Apart Studio Challenge. Thank you.